Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Kia Rio vs Vesta, which is better. Choose a model to compare features, costs, and driving feel. I will walk you through engines, interiors, and safety in a friendly, no-nonsense way. Expect clear pros and cons to help you decide which car fits commuting needs, family priorities, or budget constraints. I'll highlight fuel figures, comfort trade-offs, and key tech differences so you can pick confidently. Let's dive into performance and economy in a straightforward way that's easy to follow. I'll compare engine outputs, transmission choices, and real-world fuel numbers so you know what to expect on the road. We'll talk about ride comfort, handling, and how each car behaves in city traffic versus highway cruising. By the end, you'll understand which model balances power and efficiency for your driving style. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car comparisons. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for easy music and navigation prompts while prepping for a test drive. You'll find the link and current deals in the description below, and it's a handy gadget to keep in the home or garage. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll look inside both cabins to see which one fits your daily life better. I'll cover seating comfort, cargo space, materials quality, and the practicality of storage solutions for groceries and gear. You'll hear about infotainment features, phone integration, and driver aids that make routines easier. My goal is to help you picture living with each car so you can decide which interior suits your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.